Best vacuum cleaners. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and turn the notifications on. Best affordable. Bissell is another name of reliability and competency. It's amazing with suitable 3-brush technology to provide the edge-to-edge cleaning option. You can clean the area without any effort and preset the operation for comfort and ease. Brand: Bissell. Best outcome. The effortless cleaning option and the comfort are the primary things when you buy the vacuum cleaner. It comes with pet tools and can eliminate dust and pet hairs without any hassle. It has the Maxlife technology to deliver the fastest and easiest function. Brand: Hoover. Best value. Isn't that interesting to clean your home while cooking in the kitchen? Yes, you can do it without any worry. OKP Robot Vacuum Cleaner with Wi-Fi connection and Mini Robot Vacuums Cleaner Ultra Thin 1800 PA Suction. It has an app, Alexa self-charging features to please you well. Brand: OKP. Best deal. When you want to buy a vacuum cleaner with a convenient and effortless cleaning operation, this lift-up carpet vacuum cleaner is facilitated with 2-motor, power suction, and HEPA filter. It's enabled with a 3-in-1 combination tool and pet handy-mate for carpet and floors. Brand: Kenmore. Best overall. SOWTECH is a fantastic vacuum cleaner brand with impressive cleaning technology. The product is cordless vacuum cleaner with a rechargeable cyclonic suction stick and handheld feature. It is provided with 6-in-1 multifunctional stick handheld vacuum to accommodate your needs. Brand: SOWTECH. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and turn the notifications on.